In today's digital age, information is power. Businesses thrive on data, governments rely on accurate records, but who ensures this valuable information is organized, accessible, and preserved? Enter the records manager, the unsung hero of the information world. Records management is more important than ever. The field is evolving rapidly, driven by technology and the increasing volume of data. This growth makes a career in records management both challenging and rewarding. This essay explores the multifaceted world of records management. A records manager's day is rarely dull. They juggle multiple tasks, ensuring the smooth operation of an organization's information lifecycle. Imagine a typical day for Sarah, a records manager at a large corporation. Sarah arrives at her office and checks her email, responding to requests for specific documents. Later, she meets with a department head to discuss their document retention policy, ensuring compliance with legal requirements. Throughout the day, Sarah might train new employees on the company's document management system, showing them how to store and retrieve electronic files securely. She could also be found auditing existing records, identifying outdated or irrelevant information for disposal. Sarah's responsibilities extend beyond physical and digital documents. She also manages the company's archives, preserving historical records and making them accessible for research and reference. Becoming a successful records manager requires a unique blend of hard and soft skills. Technical proficiency is essential, as records managers must navigate various software and databases. They need a strong understanding of electronic document management systems, metadata schemas, and data security protocols. However, technical skills alone are not enough. Records managers need excellent organizational and analytical skills to manage vast amounts of information effectively. They must be detail-oriented, ensuring accuracy and completeness in their work. Strong communication and interpersonal skills are also crucial. Records. Managers frequently interact with individuals at all organizational levels, explaining complex policies and procedures in a clear and concise manner. They also collaborate with IT professionals, legal counsel, and other stakeholders to ensure the integrity and security of their organization's information assets. The life of a records manager is not without its challenges. Staying current with rapidly evolving technologies and regulations can be demanding. The increasing volume and complexity of data require constant adaptation and learning. Records managers often face resistance to change, as employees may be hesitant to adopt new procedures or relinquish control over their documents. Despite these challenges, a career in records management offers significant rewards. Records managers play a critical role in their organizations, ensuring the accessibility, integrity, and security of vital information. They contribute to informed decision-making, legal compliance, and historical preservation. The demand for skilled records managers continues to grow, offering job security and competitive salaries. Moreover, the work itself is intellectually stimulating and offers opportunities for continuous learning and professional development. Records management is a dynamic and rewarding field with a bright future. As organizations increasingly rely on information, the role of the records manager will only become more critical. If you are detail-oriented, possess strong organizational skills, and have a passion for information management, this could be the perfect career path for you. Take the time to research different career paths within records management. Consider pursuing certifications to enhance your credentials and demonstrate your expertise. Network with other professionals in the field to learn from their experiences and gain valuable insights. Embrace the challenges and reap the rewards of a fulfilling and impactful career in records management.